To change mode, first we should turn off the heater. You should make sure the heater is not turned on. Of course, no need a heater. Heater should be turned off because the mode should be cool. And we start to change the mode first one by one. First we should lose the mode, lose the 8 pieces mode from there. And first we can lose this collect because some of the location is not enough, and we should lose this part, and then we should from here to lose the mode. And then 这个也要取掉吗？ Okay, this one also should lose because for the mode easy to get off, because here we are block the take the mode. So that's why we say it's not easy to change the mode, because especially for the mode, for the bow, because the mode size is big, and so it should be here. And when you take it off, and you should keep the bolt. You should keep the bolts to make sure which one is for which parts. And take that one off and keep there. And here right now we lose the top. We lose the more top parts. There is four pieces for the bowl, 2 pieces for the cup, 4 pieces for the bowl. You lose it and take it out. 这个要拿出来吧 and take it off. And take it out, yeah. So you should have a place to keep all the parts.
没有，成本先抽完吗？
Use jog, move all this, use jog. If with remote controller, if with this one, you should move all these parts out. If with jog, you use jog. If no jog, use this one. Inch moving or jog moving, inch point moving, inch jog. Point movement or inch moving or jog moving. You take all the parts out, take all the parts. That means 8 mode, 8 mode, 32 pieces, move all these parts. Jog moving and inch moving, move all these parts. You should press the urgent stop. Every time you should press urgent stop to avoid any mistake, someone give you wrong guide. Every time while you're doing, you should do the emergency stop, and you should set the jog speed maybe 40 or 50. Right now we set is jog speed. Jog speed is 60. But for the new customer, you can set the jog speed. Set the jog speed change to 40 to 50 maybe. For the new customer. Okay, all finish the top there. This you should keep it. And right now we change to the top mode. Right now we lose the top mode. You see? Lose the top mode. You should check the location, the mode location. Easy swap. Yeah, you should press urgent stop every time. Every time while you change mode, every operate, it's better you push the urgent stop. You see, the mode top is off. The mode is off, and you should keep. So here is the mode parts. You change after you change, you should keep it. You should keep there. Different size, different mode. So different size, different mode parts. And also you can use a bowl, a cup to cover the bottom, the mode. You can use a cup. A bowl. So change mode not easy. Okay, second pieces. Well, after change, you should take the spring out and slowly, yeah, spring out. Same work for that 8 mode, all the 8 mode. One hand should hold, one hand should hold the mode, not drop. Be careful because it's a little heavy. It's a little heavy. Okay. Well, the mode, yes, you can keep in the cups and take the spring out. Take the spring out because the spring a little high. Okay. Okay, the last one finished. The last one, if it's not easy to take it off, you can use a hammer. You can use a hammer. You can use a hammer. You can use a hammer to beat it off. And of course, the center board is kept there. Center board kept there, not take it off. Okay, all the modes finished.